Okay, today we are talking about repairing or replacing a toilet flange or replacing a wax ring. So here's sort of a standard looking toilet flange. One option, if it's cracked or broken, you could install one of these repair flanges over the broken flange, line up the closet bolt keyholes, and screw it into place. You can also use these leveling shims. So if the floor is uneven, these shims can help you level the toilet when you go to tighten your closet nuts down on the closet bolts.
Wow.
Here is yet another example of a metal repair flange. I've used this one in the past. This worked well. If you have a situation where the subfloor is not in the best of shape, or you don't have solid material to screw into, this one is nice because it has those mounting ears mounted towards the outside of the ring. Now, if you have to replace the entire flange because the flange is too badly broken or corroded or rusted, if it's an old cast iron pipe, etc., there's a couple different styles of replacement flanges. This one is a 3-inch PVC push to repair flange. You see it has that black rubber gasket. You literally just push it into the soil pipe. This one is PVC replacement for cast iron and it goes into a 4-inch soil pipe. And you'll note that rubber donut or seal. So as you tighten those Allen screws, those stainless steel Allen screws, it's going to pull in that bottom PVC piece and cause that rubber seal to bulge out and expand against the inside of the soil pipe, creating your seal.
Woo!
Now let's talk about wax rings for a second. These are sort of your standard wax rings that everybody's familiar with. They've been around for years. I do not use these for a couple reasons. Number one, for example, here in Colorado in the wintertime, these freeze solid like a block of ice in my work van. Conversely, in the summertime, when it's really hot, they can get sticky and start to melt. These are better.
Wow.
They're wax-free. They're kind of like a rubber and foam material. There's different iterations out there on the market by different manufacturers. They come with brass closet bolts.
Woo!
They're easy to use. They're not messy. They're not sticky. They don't freeze solid. They don't melt. And you can reposition the toilet a little bit if you need to. Whereas with the wax ring, you cannot reposition the toilet. So you can see it comes with the hardware. Even has those ears that fit right over the closet bolts, which is nice for alignment. Has an arrow telling you that points down. And then it has this extra spacer. So say if your flange is down below the finished floor, you can add that spacer to make up the difference. Yeah, these wax-free seals are the way to go in my professional opinion. That's what I would recommend. And you can see they fit nice and easily into the closet flange. Line up your closet bolts nice and easy. They're great. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is not a paid promotion for any make, model, brand, or vendor that I spoke about in this video. I hope this information helped. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.